Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect custom domain to Emergent AI. So let's get started. First of all, you got to log into your platform where you purchased your domain such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost or any registrar. Once inside, open your domain management panel and locate the DNS settings section. That is where you'll configure records to point your domain toward Emergent AI. Now head over to Emergent AI dashboard, look for deployment or settings area where custom domain configuration is available. Here you'll find important details like target URL or IP address, required DNS record type, verification code or token. Keep this information handy because you'll need it in the next step. Then you gotta go back to your domain registrar's DNS settings and create a new record. Typically, you will add a CNAME record or add an A record if you're linking the main domain. Paste the value provided by Emergent AI into the appropriate field and save your changes. DNS updates may take a few minutes or sometimes up to a few hours to fully propagate. After updating DNS settings, return to Emergent AI, enter your custom domain into the verification or domain setup section and click on Verify or Connect. The system will check your DNS configuration. If everything is correctly set up, your domain will be successfully linked. Once verified, open your browser and enter your custom domain. If everything is configured properly, your Emergent AI project should now load under your own branded URL instead the default one. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.